Hey guys, so we finished watching the last episode of Stranger Things 5 and it was phenomenal. At least proved to be true to all the expectations I had out of this episode. And I've seen some reviews which are coming online and बोल रहे हैं कि things could have been better या what happened to the Demogorgons and वो सब जो चीजें हैं. These, if you don't look at it, it was a very well written episode. I also came across this post where बोला था कि for people who watch it throughout, they might not have these questions, but जो ऐसे part में देख रहे हैं, the way Stranger Things people have released this episode, like in parts, the November or the December and the New Year's edition, that might have affected the overall impact which was there, but overall it was really good. So today I'll be having my husband come with me and review the last episode of Stranger Things क्योंकि हमने साथ में ही देखा है जब से start हुआ है. In fact, many a times it's me who tells him कि ये season देखना है, ये series देखना है, and then he listens. That is a different thing. बट वो देखने के बाद ही इज ऑलवेज कि नहीं अच्छा था. तो लेट अस रिव्यू टुगेदर. या हेलो 2 hours episode. Did you think it was very long?
Not really.
Tell me first, how did you like the overall season 5 that was there? मतलब compared to the previous seasons, how did you like it?
Season 5 till the war was going on.
The first part, the volume 1.
The first half, yeah, it was good. काफी it kept you engaged.
Yes.
You don't want.
I remember.
You have that curiosity. What's going to happen next?
We'll be talking about the 3 volumes that were released, and we couldn't wait even one single day because we were afraid that सारे जो भी spoilers है वो आ जाएंगे and then we'll be not be able to watch it neutrally basically,
right,
with a mind of our own, and we have achieved it. I can say कि जो कल मैंने episode देखा and उसके बाद जो मैं reviews अभी देख रही हूँ उसमें I am blessed that मैंने पहले कुछ देखा नहीं था और मैंने अपने विदाउट स्पॉयलर्स आई वॉच्ड इट एंड आई कैन बी ऑनेस्ट अबाउट माय रिव्यू. मुझे तो भाई बहुत अच्छा लगा एपिसोड. मतलब बहुत एज एन इट लिव्ड अप टू माय एक्सपेक्टेशन.
Everything for considering the duration of 2 hours.
Yeah.
It had everything: emotions, drama,
fight,
action, heartbreaks as well.
Yeah.
So yeah, it was like
Mera, what was your
watching a movie?
Give
basically.
me your top 4-5 movies which had your heart in the mouth, or it was like, oh yeah, this was good.
Well, at the beginning, जब ये लोग टावर पे चढ़ते हैं, कौन सा है वो?
कौन सा टावर? हाँ वो टावर. हाँ
तो लटकता ना, क्या उसका नाम?
वो हाँ, तो जो सारे पोस्ट चल रहे थे एंड आई थॉट कि
स्टीव, राइट?
हाँ, स्टीव हैरिंगटन. सो इट वाज द पोस्ट वर गोइंग वायरल कि someone is going to die, someone is going to die.
And we thought he was the first person who's going to die.
No, I didn't think that. मैंने नहीं सोचा था.
He almost died.
He almost died. I think the director saw how the people are thinking and they gave us that minor heartbreak. Yeah, that was on my top 1 list. It's where I exploded the most. But thankfully Jonathan,
yeah.
हाँ, जो कभी कुछ नहीं किया पूरे सीजन, वो ये सीजन चल गया बस. I think the breakup has treated Mr. Jonathan well.
Yeah. And the second thing I can highlight is when the fat guy rescues that girl from Vecna.
Yes, that was funny, man. This dipshit Derek.
Yeah, Derek,
dipshit.
Sorry guys, I'm bad with names.
Yeah, that's okay. So dipshit Derek. तो we were like, अरे Vecna pull कर पाएगा नहीं pull कर पाएगा, but even Vecna was strengthless. Dipshit Derek. Yeah. So That scene was also good. Any other?
Third thing I can think of, like one of the five takeaways is like probably read this one third. Else doesn't cross the bridge. That's yeah, she doesn't cross the bridge, and her boyfriend has an emotional breakout at that time.
That was
So that was like
that was
थोड़ा touching point था.
हाँ.
Emotionally.
I thought वो नहीं मरेगी, मतलब अभी भी मरी नहीं है. You can still debate about it whether she's died.
वो एक conspiracy theory है.
Yeah, conspiracy theory.
Conspiracy theory नहीं रे बाबा, वो क्या बोलते हैं उसको?
Mystery.
एक loophole रखा है.
एक mystery रखा है, which the directors have kept it to your imagination. कि आप देखो, आपको उनको जिंदा रखना है तो रखो, नहीं रखना है तो मत रखो. But I think she'll be. What do you think? Will she be alive?
So at least they should have one more season, according to me.
No.
The military person, जो है main villain, she's still there.
नहीं, but military नहीं होता. I don't know what was the whole point in bringing this military thing. हाँ, I agree वो military thing थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो गया था. But of course we are now debating, तो ऐसे तो debate कर ले तो पूरा Stranger Things का अस्तित्व को ही हम debate कर सकते हैं कि ऐसे तो होता नहीं है, but still we are watching it.
काल्पनिक है, story काल्पनिक है,
fiction के नाम पे बेच देते हैं. तो फिर मेरा सबसे फेवरेट मोमेंट ऑफ द एंटायर सीरीज वाज वेकना से भी ज्यादा वो हेनरी क्रील वाला जो when Will goes into his body and then he makes him realize that he is not the villain. तो वो मुझे लगा कि
वो थोड़ा वो भी
was really good, like all the actors on one side and this
that
man
took the cake.
the Jamie, what is his name, Jamie कुछ तो नाम है, he is incredible. His acting पूरा cast एक
the person
तरफ,
who played Vecna's character, yeah.
he has done mind blowing
specifically the scene when he goes to his past childhood traumas, and when he recollects,
then he recollects, and then there is this his eyes are welled up, but he's still not agreeing to Will that he is like he has been forced to do that. It was some मतलब पूरा episode एक तरफ, and that scene took the cake.
Hands down.
Yeah, even that was
solo
the scene
performance
of मतलब to me it was the scene of even L सबको देखा हुआ है, but इसका he's more so in more of makeup में ही रहता है वो, तो in that Vecna makeup उसमें तो कुछ समझ में नहीं आता है, but the Henry's
part is hands down.
His acting was really good,
commendable.
All the other characters, they also got their closure nicely. सबका दिखाया, everyone got their respective the storyline ended very nicely. और जो start में जो वो Dungeons and Dragons they used to play, it end में भी उससे कर दिया, and they showed the transition, and now these big children have moved on with their lives, and ये जो Holly and the friends they take over from there. So that was also really good. There were moments, I can tell you, there were moments here and there, and बहुत अच्छे से लिखे थे. हाँ, आप expectation ज़्यादा रखोगे शो से, like everything you will put under microscope, और आपको अगर कोई सीरीज देखना है तो I don't think it will pass your test ever.
So basically, if you are a die-hard fan of Stranger Things, you expect a lot. What's going to happen next? Then you might feel disappointed. But if you don't keep any expectation, just watch it for one time. Don't think too much. Then I'm pretty sure you'll like it.
Die-hard fans से मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि die-hard fans से ज़्यादा die-hard fans would appreciate what has been put up on their plate. But the people who just watch it for the sake of it, मतलब मेरा इसमें थोड़ा अलग ओपिनियन है कि people who watch it for the sake of it, they will be like more of कि हाँ मतलब where do I find the loopholes? Let's just
One
the
time watchers
episode
ही
हाँ episode
स्टार्ट
release हो
करेंगे
गया.
अभी देखना तो definitely
हाँ.
they'll like it.
If people watch it at the stretch, it's really good.
Right. Binge watching
हाँ,
के लिए ideal है.
बहुत बहुत good है. मतलब even before Stranger Things 5 release हुआ, we binge watched almost all the seasons again.
Right.
And there were points where we thought अरे इस पे तो ध्यान नहीं दिया था कि अच्छा ऐसे हो गया. So, and now that we see those reels where the people correlate something happening here with the things in the past, so that is also, I think, neatly done. Many of the points are covered. So, yeah, it was a great watch, and I hope कोई और नया कोई तो ऐसी series आ जाए. Like, if you, which is your favorite series?
Hands down, Game of Thrones.
Game of Thrones, yeah, we are a big Game of Thrones fan.
And though
तो देखना ऐसे हो गया कि we were die hard fans then also, and अभी हमें disappointed लग गया. But I think as viewers we have matured. तभी मुझे वो disappointing लगा था, but अभी this was not disappointing for me. It was good. It was very well narrated. It had its own ending.
Just one more point, I liked the way they celebrated their graduation.
Graduation was good.
Henderson.
Was good.
Henderson,
Yeah,
right?
Henderson. He's also my favorite.
Yeah.
He's those people you might wanna like to have some light moments in your life. जिसको ऐसे रहता है ना एक बंदर जैसा बंदा अपने ग्रुप में जो हमेशा एंटरटेन करता रहता है. हाँ, जोकर. सॉरी, बंदर नहीं, जोकर. And I like, मतलब इतना इंटेलिजेंट जोकर किसको ना पसंद है.
Right.
I don't know. Yeah. So that was our review. Dekhna, there's nothing wrong with the series. Just keep your minds all clear and watch it. I think you will really love it. And we will come up with another review soon. Like if we as a couple we watch, I think we have watched endless programs and endless movies, and we keep on talking amongst ourselves कि ऐसा होना चाहिए था, वैसा होना चाहिए था, ये अच्छा था, वो अच्छा था. तो we will surely come up with more reviews. Of course अनाया होगी कभी तो उसके लायक कोई मूवी होगा तो she is also very good at टिप्पणी देने में. हमारा फैमिली बहुत आगे है तो हम वो जरूर करेंगे. So keep on watching our channel. Please like, share, subscribe. See you again later.
ऐसा चला, we can never go live.